the action, ladies and gentlemen. FungerFX.com partnered up with Bulletproof Traders, bringing you this top-level market analysis in real time. Essentially, which we're sharing our in-house trading activities, right? So good stuff. Let's go right ahead and dive in. First, I want to talk about crypto trade of the day. For me, it is the CARDANO, also known as the ADA. That's the symbol, where from a technical standpoint, it's quite impressive. We see price action turning around right off 2150, and take a look at the past 4 days, right? So price action was literally testing that level day in, day out, 4 days straight, right? Take a look at that big spike from 3 days ago, the way it was pulling back just to close the daily session right below, and it kept trying to penetrate. Yesterday seems to be like the last test we've had here, because today right off the bat price action's on the back foot, and I feel like this could be a turning point, at least from a short-term perspective. We're not even talking about, a full-fledged downside reversal, anything like that. We're just thinking a technical correction is probably well overdue, given the strong bull cycle we've had ever since the beginning of November. And price action has a lot of potential to go south, at least again on a local scale. So what are we talking about here? First of all, you can see we pulled the trigger twice already, right? As price action was turning around, we fired off the first trade. Second trade came in today, fired off the second trade, and we feel like price action is trading in this range that we were able to capture with this blue system, with this blue key level, 4 lines, and I think price action is heading towards 108.35 to begin with. We might take some profit off the table at that point, but eventually we see price action going all the way down to 93.50. So that's our primary target, official target, 93.50. It can go beyond, right? It can probably chase the previous low, which is 87. Later down the road, I don't want to talk about the long-term perspective, but I definitely see price action going back to 93.50. From the monthly perspective, that would be the equivalent of price action basically coming back to retest the same level that it broke last month, right? So we're not going fancy here with this downside potential.